You need to watch this if you struggle with your home's gutters. Are you tired of constantly worrying about your home's gutters, dreading the thought of climbing a ladder to clean out debris, or worse, dealing with costly water damage from clogged gutters? You're not alone, but guess what? BestGutterServices.com has got you covered. At BestGutterServices.com we get it. Your home is your most valuable asset, and protecting it starts with a top-notch gutter system. That's why we've made it our mission to connect you with the best gutter service providers in your area. Our team of experts meticulously researches and vets each company. We're talking quality, expertise, and stellar customer service. When you choose a provider recommended by BestGutterServices.com, you're tapping into the best of the best. So what sets BestGutterServices.com apart? It's our commitment to uncompromising quality, transparency, and support. We only recommend providers who use state-of-the-art equipment, premium materials, and proven techniques. And transparency? We've got you covered. Detailed information about each provider's services, pricing, and customer reviews are just a click away. You can make an informed decision with ease. Got questions or concerns? Our team is always ready with personalized support and guidance. So why wait? Take the first step towards protecting your home now. Visit BestGutterServices.com today. Browse our directory of trusted providers, read our informative articles and guides, and request a free consultation and estimate from a top-rated gutter service company in your area. With BestGutterServices.com, you'll have peace of mind knowing your gutters are in the best hands. Don't let clogged gutters put your home at risk. Choose BestGutterServices.com and experience the difference of working with the best in the business.